Hazel and Wally were really small. They wanted to be big and tall. So they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And they sang this song.
Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling.
Oh yeah, they grew
Bigger
and
bigger
and
bigger.
now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until a pack of dogs came over the hill.
Oh no!
What can they do?
Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling!
Oh yeah, they grew
Bigger
and
bigger
and
bigger.
now they were the size of big dogs. Hazel and Wally were giggling until the dog catcher came over the hill.
Oh no!
What can they do?
Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling!
Oh yeah, they grew
Bigger
and
bigger
and
bigger.
now they were the size of elephants. Hazel and Wally were laughing until the zookeeper came over the hill.
Oh no!
What can they do?
Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling!
Oh no! It started to rain. The sky turned gray. The mud and the goo were all washed away. And they became
Smaller
and
smaller
and
smaller.
now they were little and out there alone. But Hazel and Wally knew how to get home. What can they do?
Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling! Keep rolling!
Oh yeah. They rolled to their house. It was cozy and bright. Mama and Papa Nut hugged them so tight. And that family was happy, even though they were small. Because when you have each other, then you have it